Welcome to the Fundera Park, a haven of natural beauty and wonder, nestled in the picturesque hills of Yelagiri. Spread over acres of lush greenery, Fundera Park offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding trails, breathe in the fresh air, and soak in the serenity of nature. Fundera Park is a bird watcher's paradise with over 25 types of birds calling this park home. Here, big ostriches interact with us. Exotic and rare breed variety of fowls like Brahma, American Silky, and Sicilian Buttercup, a Italy origin hen, also here. Here we hand feed the ducklings and birds. In the animal section, we interact with lovely rabbits. Little kids enjoy in playing with little bunnies. Here we interact with charming cats. In the Fundera Park, we also see the dwarf cow, bull, donkey, and the dwarf horses. We are very exciting to see the mini horses. In the reptiles section, watch the frightful iguana. They can grow up to 7 feet. They are herbivores. They have 3 eyes. Next, we watch the playful marmosets. They play between the barks. Watch the bush baby. They also called as galacos, native to Sahara Africa. It cries like a human baby. Now we step into the Fundera Park's stunning fish aquarium, where the vibrant colors and mesmerizing movements of the exotic fish species will leave you spellbound. Home to over 500 fish from around the globe, this aquarium is a treasure of aquatic wonders. Get up close and personal with the tortoises. Each species has its own unique characteristics, habits, and habitats, making this aquarium an immersive educational experience. Watch the axolotl, a rare amphibian variety. Watch the mono angelfishes, green tiger barb fishes, and the colorful widow tetra fishes. Watch the stingrays having wide and flat bodies, not look like fishes, but they are related to sharks. Fundera Park's fish aquarium is a delight for visitors of all ages, inspiring a sense of wonder, curiosity, and appreciation for the incredible diversity of marine life on our planet. One of the park's main attractions is the Egg Museum, where you can discover the fascinating world of birds' eggs. See the ostrich egg, the world's biggest egg. Fundera Park, Yelagiri is a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. Come and experience the magic of this enchanting park yourself. Thanks for watching.